Thousands of fans line up at the presidential palace in Buenos Aires to pay their last respects to the footballing legend. Diego Maradona passed away on Saturday due to a heart attack while recovering from a brain surgery.
Otra vez, estamos viendo.
Two soldiers killed during a terror attack in Kashmir on the anniversary of the 26/11 attacks. Terrorists opened fire on a road opening party in the HMT area in Srinagar. Security forces suspect the hand of Pakistan-based terror groups, the Lashkar-e-Taiba and the Jaish-e-Mohammed, to be behind this attack. On November 26th, 12 years ago, 10 Pakistani Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorists caused mayhem and the murder of 166 people in the city of Mumbai. In a siege that lasted over 60 hours, 9 Pakistani terrorists were killed by Indian security forces, while one terrorist, Ajmal Kasab, was caught alive and hanged in 2012, 4 years later. AstraZeneca and Oxford University acknowledged a manufacturing error about preliminary results of their experimental COVID-19 vaccine. In a surprise, the group of volunteers that got a lower dose seemed to be much better protected than the volunteers who got 2 full doses. A mass trial of more than 120 Cambodian opposition figures kicked off in Phnom Penh today amid UN concerns. The proceedings were politically motivated and violated due process. The case is linked to attempts by exiled opposition figurehead Sam Rainsy to return to Cambodia last year from France, where he has lived since 2015 to avoid jail. Schools, universities and colleges across Pakistan shut down until January amid growing fear about the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic in the country. Students had returned to school in September following a months-long lockdown. Drone footage shows burial grounds being expanded to cope with the rising number of coronavirus infections and deaths in the Indonesian capital of Jakarta. The Southeast Asia's biggest country has the region's highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths.